Hello, just a short video. I think you are somehow familiar with the concept of a lunar day, which is a period in which the moon performs a complete rotation on its own axis. Yeah, so the Earth Day is a period on which the Earth completes a rotation on its own axis, but the lunar day is the same idea or concept for the moon. Okay. Of course, due to tidal locking, if you know the concept, this equals the time that the moon takes to complete one orbit around Earth plus 2.2 more Earth days. The tidal locking idea, if you click on it, is going to actually say that the moon and the Earth are completely synchronized. So this is why you see only a part of the moon, basically. Yeah. So let's just click on the tidal locking here, so you can take a very short peek. Yeah, tidal locking. But so you get the idea. But this is not about tidal locking. I'm going to return to the lunar day. So then you understand what a lunar day is. Yeah, full rotation on its own axis. So it's going to be like 30 days. Yeah, so this is another definition. Yeah, the moon takes 27 Earth days, 7 hours, 43 minutes, blah, blah, to perform one orbit. However, since the Earth-Moon system advances around the sun, blah, 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 details and other stuff, the moon must travel farther to return to the same phase on average. So this synodic period, you also have another concept, lasts 29 days, 12 hours, 44 minutes. So this is like 29.5 days, the length of a lunar month on Earth. So it's basically like 30 days, yeah, the length of a month. Now, if you are comfortable with these concepts, and now that you understand that it takes a month for the moon to rotate on its own axis, now you tell me how this is possible in this video, which I uploaded, to actually see in a matter of seconds, to see the rotation of the moon. So it's going to take a month for the moon to rotate on its own axis, according to what? Science, yeah, which is shown here in a synthesis on Wikipedia. This is science. This is not any speculation. This is not wishful thinking. This is scientific result. You have like 30 days for the moon to rotate on its own axis. Okay? Now explain to me how this is possible then to see the moon rotating in this video which I just uploaded, which basically makes the whole video fake. I'm sorry. At least the rotation, yeah, but it's logical to suppose that everything is fake here. So yeah, take a look. Yeah, the moon rise. This is somewhere at the Arctic area or whatnot. So take a look. Now you see that this moon is rotating. You can see how the moon is rotating, yeah? So bottom line, you shouldn't be able to see rotation of the moon because rotation takes 1 month. So this is then fake. Yeah. Okay, see you around.